Hi, it's Bobby from Today's Collision. Today we're going to explain the repair process. Today's Collision has been repairing vehicles for over 35 years. We learned that helping you understand the repair process helps us communicate with you along the way. We've broken down the entire process into 12 steps. Step 1, the initial estimate. After an accident, the first step to repairing your vehicle is to obtain an initial estimate of the damage. Depending on your personal situation, you could have an insurance claim estimate, be paying out of pocket, we call this a self-pay, or your vehicle is not drivable and you may have to tow it in.
If the cost of your vehicle's repairs will be paid through an insurance claim, the initial estimate will need to be created by the insurance company prior to bringing your vehicle to Today's Collision. Once this is complete, please call our office to make an appointment for an evaluation at one of our shops, where we will review the damage with you, discuss the needed parts, determine what can be pre-ordered, and set up a date for your repair appointment. If you will be paying out of pocket for the repairs, please call our office to make an appointment for an evaluation. One of our estimators will review the entire vehicle with you, explain the damages, and provide you with an initial estimate of costs based on the visible damage. If your vehicle is not drivable, please call our office prior to having your vehicle towed to the shop. Typically, we can review photos of your damage and give you an idea of scheduling based on the damage, and provide you with advice on a move-forward plan.
Once your initial estimate is completed, we will schedule an appointment for you to drop off your car for repairs. Sometimes this can be 4 to 6 weeks out, depending on our currently scheduled jobs. During this time, we pre-order any parts so they arrive at the time we start your job and help you schedule your rental vehicle. One very important thing to note about the initial estimate is that it can change. You'll see in one of our next steps, when your vehicle is disassembled, further damage can be discovered. Additional parts may be needed, and the cost of repairs could change. Step 2 is pre-scanning your vehicle and the pre-alignment.
Once your vehicle arrives at our facility, we will run a series of pre-repair diagnostics, which includes a complete ADAS scan. ADAS is responsible for many of the safety and warning features in your vehicle, including blind spot sensors, cameras, lane departure systems, forward collision warning, and more. The proper functioning of these safety and driver assist systems could have been compromised as a result of the collision. If necessary, we will perform a 4-wheel alignment check and also determine if the vehicle has possible suspension damage.
Step 3, disassembly.
Our experienced technicians begin to disassemble the damaged areas of your vehicle. Our team has been trained by OEMs on the proper way to disassemble your vehicle. We have been advised on how to spot specific problems during this process. It is possible that hidden or internal damage that was not previously visible or was missed on the original assessment may be found. We will determine if any other necessary parts are required to complete the repairs.
During the disassembly process, we complete what we call a blueprinting of your vehicle. This is a thorough detail of all the repair requirements needed to return your vehicle back to OEM specifications. This includes researching all the required OEM repair procedures, determining necessary tools and equipment, and finalizing the parts list.
Depending on the damage to your vehicle, the disassembly process can take 1 to 3 days to complete.
Step 4, supplemental estimate.
If, during the disassembly stage, additional damage is found, our estimators will rewrite the repair requirements needed to repair your vehicle back to pre-accident condition and produce a new appraisal or supplemental estimate and communicate the changes to your insurance company. We will negotiate the repairs on your behalf with the insurance company. While some insurance companies respond quickly, others can take up to 7 business days to get back to us.
We often get asked, why does it take so long to repair my car? Well, this stage of the repair process can be what stalls our entire production line. Because unfortunately, until we receive a response from your insurance company, we can't move forward with the vehicle's repairs. Once a disassembled vehicle is in the repair path in our shop, waiting for a revised estimate approval, it can not only delay the repair schedule for that vehicle, but also all the vehicles next in line. We do our best to expedite this process. Step 5, parts ordering and verification.
A complete repair order detailing both the parts and labor requirements needed to complete the repairs has now been established.
Any previously pre-ordered parts that are currently on site for your vehicle repairs are verified and matched to the damaged parts by the parts manager. The secondary order for the additional parts discovered during the disassembly process is placed. While in most cases, parts arrive at a reasonable amount of time. Occasionally, we can experience back orders on certain makes and models. If this occurs, you will be notified of any expected delays.
All parts undergo quality inspection upon arrival.
Step 6. Structure repair.
In the structural repair phase, your vehicle will be measured on the most advanced equipment in the industry.
Our technicians utilize a computer-based measuring system or an approved OEM jig system to ensure the structure of the vehicle is restored to factory specifications. This may also include replacing any necessary welded or bonded internal or external panels and components, following required OEM repair replacement procedures. All aluminum repairs take place in our state-of-the-art aluminum repair room. This eliminates cross-contamination and keeps the structural integrity.
Depending on the damage to your vehicle, the structure repair process can take 2 to 4 days to complete.
Step 7. Body repair. The body repair department replaces all bolted, damaged exterior panels and all metal finishing that may be required. This includes repairing all dents and scratches. Sheet metal is installed and aligned.
Our factory-trained body technicians follow strict quality guidelines to ensure thorough and accurate body work. Once approved by the master technician, your vehicle is prepared for the paint department. Depending on the damage to your vehicle, the body repair process can take 2 to 3 days to complete.
Step 8. Paint prep. Paint prep is a critical step in the refinishing process to ensure proper paint adhesion and to protect the remainder of your vehicle from overspray. When we order new parts for your vehicle, they arrive to our shop what we call raw. They need to be prime sealed and Jamb colored. That means the inside facing the side of the part will be color matched to the vehicle. Any other panels that we repaired will be primed and sealed.
After the panels have cured for 24 hours, any pre-paint assembly, final sanding, and prep work will be completed. Any new panels will be installed onto the vehicle. Once the rest of the vehicle is masked and protected from overspray, it's ready for paint and placed in the paint booth queue. The paint prep process can take 1 to 2 days to complete.
Step 9. Paint.
Once your vehicle's panels have been primed and sealed, the painting process can begin. Our expert technicians determine the proper color formula and codes, which are entered into the computerized mixing scale.
Preparing an exact paint match is the key to having the finished product look flawless. Formulas can involve multiple tonal variants. Our paint technicians create a test spray out panel to verify that we have an exact factory paint match color.
Your vehicle is masked to protect from overspray contamination and enters our downdraft spray booth, where the top color and clear coats of paint are applied. The paint is cured in the bake oven, followed by a 24-hour set time. Our production team will inspect the repairs and give approval to move the vehicle to the reassembly area. The paint process can take 1 to 2 days to complete.
Step 10. Reassembly.
Once the paint process is complete, your vehicle will move into the assembly area. Our technicians will reassemble your vehicle, and all final moldings and detail pieces will be replaced. All of the vehicle systems are checked for proper operation during this process. Depending on the repairs completed on your vehicle, the reassembly process can take 1 to 3 days to complete.
Step 11. Calibration and testing.
Once your vehicle is reassembled, our technicians will conduct a rigorous quality inspection.
Now that we have your vehicle looking great, we need to make sure everything is operating perfectly. We utilize the most advanced technology in the industry to calibrate and test your vehicle to ensure both structural and operational integrity.
A post-repair diagnostic ADAS scan will help us clear any indicative codes remaining. We will also perform any needed ADAS calibrations at this time. Your vehicle will be road tested to validate that all systems and equipment are functioning properly. Our quality control review occurs at this stage, which includes a final inspection by our technicians to ensure the vehicle is restored to its pre-accident condition. All repaired vehicles receive a complete interior and exterior detail before they leave the shop. Final emblems and nameplates are installed. Once your vehicle has been inspected by our team, it is ready to be returned to you. Our quality control department reviews its checklist with you as you inspect your vehicle. You are provided with the final paperwork and lifetime warranty information by our customer service team.
At Today's Collision, we pride ourselves on exceptional customer service and the highest quality repairs. Our goal is to return your vehicle in showroom condition and make the repair process a stress-free experience for you. Returning your vehicle to you is our favorite part of the day because we know every member of our team at each step along the way, from the initial estimate through disassembly and paint to the final testing, is dedicated to ensuring that you are 100% satisfied with your repairs. We hope this overview of the repair process will help us communicate with you as your vehicle moves throughout the different steps at Today's Collision.